Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss what is the principle of equality before the law and equal protection of the laws enumerated in Article 14, Part 3 Fundamental Rights of the Indian Constitution. The provision of equality before the law and equal protection of the laws is non-discriminatory guiding principle. So, according to this principle, every person and things, if similarly circumstanced, shall be treated alike both in privileges conferred and liabilities imposed. So, in this video, I will discuss the concept and applicability of Article 14, that is, equality before the law and equal protection of the laws. Let's start with the introduction first. That is, the principle equality before the law and equal protection of the laws is described in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, Article 14 of the Constitution, Chapter Fundamental Rights, and subheading Right to Equality. Now, the question is, what is the principle of equality before the law and equal protection of the laws? The two principles, that is equality before the law and equal protection of the laws, work on the concept of rule of law and equal justice and states that every person not be denied equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. It means all are equal before the law and are entitled without discrimination to equal protection of the laws. Now, for better understanding, let's check both the principles separately. So let's discuss first, that is, what is meaning of the phrase equality before the law. In a simple language, it means all people are equal before the law, and the law doesn't discriminate based on anything such as official position, post, societal status, race, caste, religion, color, place of birth, etc., while giving the justice. Now, the next question is, what is meaning of the phrase equal protection of the laws? In a simple language, it means all people are protected by the laws equally. Every person will receive equal justice if similarly circumstanced. However, if circumstances are different, then of course they will treat it differently. Likewise, the law doesn't make any discrimination based on any ground in a similar circumstance. Now, the next question is, what is meaning of singular law that is used in equality before the law? In the first phrase, that is equality before the law, law is used in singular form. It means law is supreme and nothing is above the law, and there is only one system of law and courts for all. Further, the concept of supremacy of the law is based on the principle of rule of law defined by A.V. Dacey, a British jurist and constitutional theorist. Now, the next question is, what is meaning of the plural term laws used in equal protection of the laws? The word laws used in plural form in equal protection of the laws refers to the statute law and other provisions that the Parliament keeps legislating frequently. Hence, the principle equal protection of the laws ensures that all such laws shall provide equal protection to all people without any discrimination. Hence, the principle equal protection of the laws ensures that all such laws shall provide equal protection to all people without any discrimination. Now, the next point is application of Article 40. Article 14, that is equality before the law and equal protection of the laws, is not restricted only to the citizen of India, rather available for every person, including foreigners, within the territory of India. So, in conclusion, I would like to quote the words of Justice Krishna Iyer as he says, Article 14 enunciates a vital principle which lies at the core of our republicanism and shines like a beacon light towards the goal of classless, egalitarian socio-economic order, which we promised to build for ourselves when we made a tryst with destiny on that fateful day when we adopted our constitution. If we had to choose between fanatical devotion to this great principle of equality and feeble allegiance to it, we would unhesitatingly prefer to err on the side of the former as against the latter. So, this is all about the principle of equality before the law and equal protection of the laws.